Good morning. It is December 26th. It is currently minus 16 degrees outside, which is about 3 Fahrenheit. Inside the bus though, minus 18. This doesn't register anything below zero because it shouldn't get below zero inside, so yeah. The sensor that I have in the back of the bus is saying it's minus 18, which is minus 1 Fahrenheit apparently. Who knew? So anyway, I'll be back shortly. I'm just going to turn on the furnace, let it warm up in here a little bit, then I'll tell you what I'm going to do. So see you in about half an hour or 2 seconds. I've decided to work on the electrical panel. I'll walk you through what I'm going to do, so this way when you see what I'm doing, you can understand what I'm doing. And doing. And doing. So I'm going to take my fancy little square here, the 4-foot high thing. This marker line, can you see that? Yep. That marker line is the edge of my cabinet that's going to be here, and man, can I feel a breeze coming in here. Outside is right there, so of course I will. Anyway, so I'm going to square that up. I'm going to take a couple of these 1x2s that I've already pre-cut and pre-drilled with the Kreg hole tool thingy. I'm going to put one at the base here, one about middle of the window, one at the top of the window, going all the way across. I'll measure that from the bottom. I'll use the square and make marks on the 1x2s so I know that I'm square up and down. I have a piece of plywood over here pre-cut, 24 inches wide, 30 inches high. That's what I'm going to mount the panel to. So I'll put you up on the tripod and you can see what I'm going to do. Much better. Wow. Too many wires. It's me or the bus or what, but that looks so crooked. Four and 5/8. 4 and 5/8. 4 and 5/8. It's fine. Everything just looks so wonky. Why do I have sap all over my hands? I'm hoping that's sap. Yep, that's sap. Where do I want the panel? Because I also have to get the 12-volt panel over here too. going to have 3/4 of an inch of a wall here for the closet. So I have to make sure there's enough room. If I put this here, 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to have one going down across that way for some plugs. I'm going to have one coming up for some plugs. That should be fine. Bring this down just a little bit. A little bit more. I'm liking that. Maybe a little bit more. Because I'm going to be drilling holes through here so I can get the wires up. Then a 12 volt can go beside it. So, 3/4 inch plywood like that. Oh, that's plenty of room. More than enough room. Definitely. I do this. This comes over here. I can put the other box beside it, hopefully. Nice and secure. Unlike me. Okay, so that's mounted. And I'm not going to move the 12 volt just yet. I have a diagram for my wiring that I'd like to get set up somewhere. Yeah, so current temperature inside. Wrong button. Apparently. Trust me, it feels much warmer than that in here. I'll put that over there for now. Get this out of my way. Yeah, I have the furnace set to, sorry, inside voice. I have the furnace set to 20 degrees Celsius, which I believe is 68 Fahrenheit. So the back temperature isn't too far off. The front temperature is far off. So, give me a minute, I'll figure this out, what I want to do next, and we'll continue from there. Up the top? Where are my plans? Damn it. Yes. Up the top I'm going to have one coming out of here, and it's just going to coil over here for when I eventually get an air conditioner. Another one's going to go out the top and come into this area. I'm going to have one coil sitting over here, one coil sitting over there somewhere for the upper cabinet. Actually, I guess you could call them upper dresser. It's going to be a cabinet for some clothing and stuff for me, because this is my bedroom area, as you can tell. So underneath I'm going to have one plug here and one plug over there. With USB connections. So I have to run that. Then out the bottom, I'm going to have one going across the bottom to where these two double gang boxes are. One's going to be mounted here, one's going to be mounted higher. This is going to be what kind of word is gonna? This is going to be for the entertainment center, if you want to call it that. Because this wall right here is going to have the TV I'll have the computer down there, stereo, security system, other things. So, yes, I'm getting a security system. So I'll get that going, and let's see how badly I can mess this up. If I had my screwdrivers. I have to find my tools, I'll be right back. Of course, my tools were right where I left them. So, let's get started. Yes, so I'm putting a lot of wire in the box for now. This is the neutral bar. That's where inside here there's a white wire and a black wire. Black is positive, white is neutral. And there's also a ground. The ground can connect up onto this bar or this bar. But the neutral, apparently there's only one bar for the neutrals. So I'm going to have a lot of wire coming in so it can loop around here like this and get onto the neutral. Even if I do have the positive black bar over here for the breaker, the white has to come all the way around. So I have to have a lot of wire in here. Which isn't a problem, I have a lot of wire. Now, I guess I should put this all the way to the back. Oh, why did I do it this way? There are times I took a stupid pill, and today I took a stupid pill. Put a 1/2-inch hole right above. Loosen this off again because I'm an idiot. Now, can I get this wire in that hole? Yes. Oh God, I'm funny. That is not easy to do. Sorry, all that you're seeing is my arm, but hey, I got it. So if I can do it this way, I should be able to get it. Nah, I'm not gonna try it. I should try it the other way. Oh yeah, I can get it. Come on. Put a staple there, put it there, carry that through. Great, totally not prepared again. This one's for the air conditioner. I need one for the bottom, for the entertainment area. So that side's pretty much done. I'll spin you around somehow so you can see that I'm going to do the other side while connecting up the box. I don't know where I'm going to put you, but I'll figure that out. Where is the off? So for the other side of the panel, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to have one for a microwave and the bedroom TV, one for the outlets that are on the other side of the bus. What's the other one? The fridge. I think that's everything. Microwave, fridge, USB, bedroom TV. One thing I'm going to have different than anybody else is my shore power is going to be coming in over here somewhere. Haven't quite decided where I'm putting it, but it's going to be there. What I'm also going to do though is I'm going to build a box on the inside here that comes out a few inches. So the shore power won't be right on the outside of the bus, it's going to be inside an enclosure. And also inside that enclosure I'm going to have a 220 volt and a 120 volt. In case I have to do something outside that requires power, I have power outside instead of having to open up a window or open up the door and run an extension cord. This way I have the power right there, right where I need it. And I'll be doing the same thing on this side somewhere. I haven't quite decided where yet. It might be further down the back of the bus. So, I showed you what I was doing with the panel, because you won't be able to see the panel how I hook it up. You're going to be over here somewhere. Right. So I'll actually get the panel going with the holes and the wire connectors, so I don't waste time and battery on that. So you won't. I'll just do that off camera real quick. Then I'll come back and you'll see me playing with wire over there somewhere. I forgot to point out where everything is going to be going for boxes and outlets and stuff like that. Over here on the cabinet itself, inside, sitting on top, will be a USB and outlet. There's going to be a couch over here. On the other cabinet over here, there's going to be another USB and outlet. There's going to be a box up here for the microwave. On this countertop over here, right beside the window, I'm going to have a double gang box for whatever appliances I intend to use. Over here, there's going to be another double gang box. This is where the fridge is, so down here somewhere there's going to be another 120. And way over here, there's going to be another box for the TV back here. So, yeah, so that's where everything is going to be. think I have everything for now for the electrical. Here's what the panel looks like. A jumble of wires. I'll get around to labeling these. But yeah, it doesn't... I thought I'd actually have more. There is one more I have to add. Actually, two more I have to add. One is for the 120 volt that'll go below the panel. And one is for the 220 volt that goes below the panel. Those are just in case items. Well, let's see what time it is. 1:20. No, I don't have time to do the 12 volt today. Maybe next time. So until then, have a good one. Catch you later.